Congratulations for making it to this stage. So this is where we'll try to test all that we've done in the previous video. So I'm not really too sure about this name. I think this name is called file name. Yes, not capital letter, but I'm just going to console.log. I think it's this file name, F-L-A-N-E-E. It's not camel casing. They did not use the JavaScript convention while building multer. So they just use it like this. I think so. And in case you don't actually know, you can just console.log it out for us to just see what it is. So we can see all the properties that we have in request.file. So I can do that quickly right here and just console them out. So I'll just console request.files. So that's what I want to console.log. That is this alone, so that I can see if this property actually exists. But I think this is the property anyway. So, and if it is, it's just going to run and everything is going to be fine. And we just want to see the details of all this. So that is all I needed to correct here. So we can go straight to where we're going to be testing it now. So how do we test? So let's start it npm. npm starts. So we can test now. How do we test a form data, right? How do we test for this? So before now, we've always been used to this body and you always having this as raw and able to put in some JSON data there. But when you want to bring in file, is a different ball game. You can see I'm already on that route, upload file, so and it's a post request. And right now I want to upload a file. So you go to form data. So when you click on form data, you're going to see two values. One is going to be saying key, the other is going to say value. So here we go. I want to write the key. The key for this is called photo, right? And if you remember what we did when we were getting that single, so I'm going to explain that to you again, but I think I've explained that before. So photo, so I'm just going to select this. You come in here, can you see this cursor? I'll hover on it and I'll see file. So I'll select a file. So I can then select a file for my value. So that file can go to my local system and select any file that I wish to upload. So I think I'll just use one of this, upload this image, and boom, I'm good to go. So I have it now that I want to run the request. If everything goes on, we're just going to tell me successful. I'm going to find the folder, the file itself on that, my upload folder, and I'm also going to find it in my database. So moment of truth now. So we run this and just wait for a while. And it said photo upload successful. So let's go check it out. Now it means that what I actually thought of was actually right. This is file name. You can see this was what was printed out in our console.request.file. These are all the images. Now the meme type, the type of image I brought in is PNG. It's giving stories, and where it's been uploaded to is called my folder, right? And the file name is this. So this file name is very unique. This is what we need. And the paths where it is this, right, on my system. So that is it. So I've installed, so I should have this file name in my database. So let's go to the database and check for that record. So I'm just going to open that, and I already have the data course files. Then I'll just refresh quickly. And as you can see, I have it on my database. The ID, then the file name itself, that's the most important one, the person who is making the ID. So let me go check if it is upload to the folder that I said you should upload it to. So moment of truth, if I click on this, you can see I'm seeing the folder now. Seeing it on the folder, you can see this is the name of the file and this is the file name. Can you see it now? So this file is living here. So far so good. It's working. The upload is working. It's very simple and straightforward when you walk through the process. So I think that is okay for now. And I will just choose to upload some other files again. Let me upload another file. And so we could delete some and we will at least. So let's quickly check out another one. So this is one file. I can decide to upload the same file more than once. Now this name photo that I put in here, it's actually the name that we are using in the route here. If you check out this route, you can see what I placed in here. That's the name we're expecting to call the feed, photo. So whatever I call it, if I say file, it should be fine. If I say Sylvester, that should be Sylvester as well. Okay, so it's uploaded, and I want to try upload another image, not actually the same image. I can take that off and the see photo, then click on another image just to try to upload another uh, kind of file. So now you can see when we are uploading file, it could tell that this file is blah blah so file. Let's assume I want to upload and this is a movie. I think this is too long. I don't want a lengthy file like that. I think let's see. It could be of any file. Okay, so let's check out this one quickly and just upload this file. So if we do that now, we're uploading a file, right? A PDF file. And when we hit this, it's just going to do the same thing. So if I go to my upload here, I will find that here. You can see there are two files here now, and this is the file. And it's telling me that it is application.pdf. So you can write what is called an if statement to show that the only thing that I want to upload is a certain file type. Is that okay? But I don't think I will be doing that now. It's very simple. As a developer that you are, you can say if meme type, right, is not equal to, the other one we saw the other time was img. It's not equal to img, image.img. It's not equal to this. So, or for example, now you can see if it's only for PDF you want, you say if it is not equal to this, that's just all you need. Then throw an error. Is that okay? And if it's equal to this, throw an error. I think should I add that to it anyway, or save it? If it's not equal to it, just don't just run the program. Just tell it that you cannot do that. That's a very simple challenge. So I want you to add that to it. I'll be doing that behind the scene, maybe when I put it on production. But for now, I think you can actually take care of things like that easily with an if statement, since you can have access to all this, right? Okay. We can't teach you everything. That's just the fact. So you have to apply your knowledge also. All the knowledge you've acquired is good enough for you to manipulate anything that you want to do. And I think we should be done with that part. Okay. So what do we want to do now? We want to delete. So the deleting is what we'll be doing in the next video. Bye for now.